Let's go to page 378, number 1. Okay, you have x plus y equal to 3. Okay, so to graph this, first you set x equal to 0, so y will equal to 3. Then after that you do the opposite, you set y equal to 0, so x equal to 3. Okay, so those are your two intercept points. So let's go and graph this. Okay, so get your x and y axes. Okay, so first you plot the 0, 3, so 0, 3 is over here, and you got 3, 0, so right over here, and you connect the two dots, and that's your graph. Okay? Okay, let's go to number 3. So you have 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, so again, you set x equal to 0 to find the intercept. So when it's x equal to 0, this is gone. And so over here, you divide both sides by negative 3. So y will equal to negative 2. And you can check, right? Negative 3 times negative 2 give you 6. Okay? Then you're going to do the reverse. You're going to set y equal to 0. So this is gone, right? Y equal to 0. So this is the y term is gone. And divide both sides by 2, so x will equal to 3. Okay, so 2 times 3 gives you 6. Okay, so again, those are your two intercept points. Okay. So for number 3, okay, so let's go ahead and get our x and y axes. Okay, so you have 0, negative 2. Okay, so that's your 0, negative 2. And you got 3, 0 right over here. And connect the two dots. Okay, it's actually more like over here. Okay. And if you want to make sure you get more points, what you can do is see the pattern. You go up 2 over 3. So you can go up 2 over 3. See that? So it'd be. So you can go, so 2, 3, 2, 3. See if you want to get more points. Okay. Okay. Let's go to number 5. Yeah, y equal to 8. This one you don't have to get any points. Okay. So this is number 5. Okay, so you go and graph. So you got so from here you have the y equal to 8, right? So think of your number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's kind of really run out of space. So in that case, what you do is just get rid of that. Okay, let's just make this a little bit lower right over here. Okay, so you have to do adjustments. So from here, so you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is 8. And you're just going to extend that a little bit longer. Okay, and that's it. Okay, okay, let's go to number 7. We have x plus 5 equal to 0. So when you have only one variable, you can solve. So you can minus 5 on both sides. So you're going to get x equal to negative 5. Okay, so when you graph this, so number 7. So that's your x and that's your y axis. So x equal to negative 5. Okay, think about your number line. So start at 0, 0, right? So you go negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5 is over here. So just make the line longer. Okay, and so that is your x equal to negative 5. Okay, next one. Number 9. We have 3x minus 5y is equal to 15. So again, you start with x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, this is gone. So divide both sides by -5, so you're going to get -3. You can do a quick check. -5 times -3 give you 15. Okay? And you make y equal to 0. So when y equal to 0, this is gone. So x will equal to 5, right? 3 times 5 give you 15. Okay, so those are your intercept points. So let's go and graph those two intercept points. So for number 9, okay, so the first point is 0, -3. So 0, -3, 1, 2, 3. So that's the point over here. Then you got 5, 0. So again, remember this is x, this is y, right? So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. Okay, and you go and connect the two dots. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, just have quick looks. So again, that's the graph for number 9. Okay. Okay, number 11. Okay, you got y equal to -1/2 x. So this is something called the slope-intercept form. Okay, so that's a very easy way to graph this, but you have not learned it yet until the next lesson. So we just have to do it a long way. So with this situation, what you do is you can just make the table. Okay. So you can choose the x and the y. So if you let x equal to 0, then y will equal to 0, right? Now, because the denominator is 2, so you want to choose an even number, okay? Let's say, you choose you can choose any even number. So let's say if you choose x equal to 6, for example, okay? So -1/2 times 6 will give you -3, okay? Again, you can choose any even number, okay? And just get points. Okay, then let's go to graph. Okay, well, we have to get the axes first. Okay. Okay, so first point is 0, 0. So that's right over here. Right, that's your origin. You got 6, -3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -3, 1, 2, 3, right over here. Okay. Okay, and that's the graph. Okay, again, if you have absolutely no idea what to do, just make a table and plot the points. Okay, but in a future lesson, you're going to learn how to graph this without doing this. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 13. Okay, you have 4 minus x equal to y. So I'm going to move the x to the other side. So I want to put in the standard form. It looks like this, right? So plus x on both sides. So I get 4 equal to x plus y. But this looks kind of weird. This looks kind of awkward. So I'm going to flip it over, use a mirror image. So I got x plus y equal to 4. Okay. Okay, so now it becomes like this kind of problem. So set x equal to 0. So this is gone. So y will equal to 4. And I'm going to set y equal to 0. So the x will equal to 4. Okay. And then after that, let's go ahead and graph this one. Okay, so you got, so this point is 0, 4. So 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you got 4, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0. Okay, and you connect the two dots. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 15, you got y equal to x. Okay, so again, if it doesn't look like this, you can just make the table. Again, if it's something looks weird that you're not used to, you have no idea what to do, just make a table. Okay. So when x equal to 0, then y equal to 0, right? Again, you can choose any number. Yeah, you don't want to use 1 because the two points are too close together, then it's kind of hard to get an accurate line. So maybe choose a little bit of kind of mid-range number, like maybe like 5. So when x equal to 5, since they're equal, you get 5, 5, right? Okay. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So number 15. Okay, so first point is 0, 0. Next point is 5, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then you connect the two dots. Okay, and remember to draw the arrow at the end. The arrow tells you that the graph keeps going, continue on forever. Okay, let's go to 17. You got x minus y equal to 0. Okay. So again, if you set x equal to 0, then y will equal to 0. But if you try to set y equal to 0, you're going to get x equal to 0. You're going to get the same point. So in this case, you just have to choose another point. You can choose any random number. Okay. For example, if you have x equal to 3, then y will equal to 3, right? 3 minus 3 give you 0. So you can just choose points, okay? And let's go and do the graph. So you can choose any number, but 3 looks like kind of okay. Not too small, not too big, okay? You don't want to choose a huge number, and you don't want to choose like super small number either. The 1 is not really good because if you show the graph, your graph can be off. Okay, so the first point is 0, 0. The second point is 3, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and just go ahead and connect the dot. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 19. Okay, you got y equal to 2 over 3x. Again, that's a super easy way to do this, but you have not learned it yet, so we just have to do it a long way. So again, the long way is you just, as a last resort, okay, you can make a table for it. So again, if you x equal to 0, then you get 0, right? 0 times anything will be equal to 0. Now, the next number you want to choose is, you want to choose a number that can cancel out the denominator. So if the denominator is 3, then choose 3, okay? So when you times by 3, it will cancel out, so you get 2, okay? So that's kind of the nice trick to remember when you're doing your graphing. Okay, so number 19. Okay, so the first point is 0, 0. Okay, the next point is 3, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And okay. Okay, let's go to number 21. Okay, you have 4x minus 3y equal to 12. Okay, so this is a standard form. So just let x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, this is gone. So divide both sides by -3, you're going to get -4. Again, you can do a quick check. -3 times -4 will give you 12, right? So that's the y. Then you do the opposite. You make y equal to 0. So when y equal to 0, this is gone. And so over here, you need to get 3. 4 times 3 give you 12. Okay? Okay, so let's go and graph the next one. So first point is 0, negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's your 0, negative 4. And then the next point is 3, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 0. Okay, and then and that's the graph for number 21. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, 23. You have 3x minus 2y equal to 12. Okay, so just like last one, very similar. If the x equal to 0, then the y need to be negative 6, right? Negative 2 times negative 6 give you 12. Okay, then you do the opposite, let y equal to 0, so this is gone, right? And 3x equal to 12, so you need to get 4. 3 times 4 give you 12. Okay? Okay, so now let's go and do the graphing. Okay, so first point is 0, negative 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right over here. Make sure you label your axes. And then next one is 4, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0. Okay, and connect the dot. Okay. Okay. Let's go to next one. Okay, 25. Okay, you have 3x minus 4y equal to 24. Okay, so the x equal to 0. Divide both sides by negative 4, you need to get negative 6. I can do a quick check. Negative 4 times negative 6 gives you positive 24. So watch out for the positive and negative. So you let y equal to 0. So when y equal to 0, this is gone. And so you need to get 8. Right, 3 times 8 gives you 24. Okay, so this graph is going to be kind of big. Okay. So number 25. Okay. Okay, so 0, negative 6. So 0, negative 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right over here. Okay, then you got 8, 0. Here, this is the x, right? Remember, it's x, y, is alphabetical, right? So start from here, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right over here. Okay, then go and graph this. Okay, and so this is graph for number 25. Okay, okay, let's go to the next one. 27. So you got y equal to negative 3 over 2x plus 4. So this is called a slope-intercept form. And you have not another shortcut yet, a quick way, so you have to do it a long way. Okay, so make the table. So you got x and y. Okay, so again, first you want to let x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, this is gone. Okay, so you're going to y equal to 4. Okay, and next, let's go ahead and make the x equal, again, denominator is 2. So easier thing to do is just let x equal to 2. Okay, so you let the 2 go over here, we cancel out. So you're going to get negative 3 plus 4 will give you 1. Okay, so you can just substitute this into here, right? X equal to 2, so 2 and 2 will cancel out. So you got negative 3 plus 4. So negative 3 plus 4 will give you positive 1. Okay. Okay, so 27. But this is a long way. Again, on the future lesson, you will learn how to do this without even how to do any of this work. Okay. So this is x, this is y. So the first point is 0, 4. So 0, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then you have the 2, 1, so it'd be 2, 1 right over here. Okay, and then you just connect the two dots. Okay, and that's a graph for number 27. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 29. You have two equations. So graph the two equations on the same set of axes. What are the coordinates of the point where two lines cross? Okay, so you got two equations. You got x minus y equal to 5. Okay, I'm going to use a different color. Okay, so you got x plus y equal to 1. Okay, so again, first let's go and graph the black one. So the x equal to 0, and the y will equal to negative 5, right? So negative 1 times negative 5 gives you positive 5. Then I'm going to do the opposite, so I'm there to y equal to 0, so x will equal to 5. Okay, so I'm going to graph one at a time before I lose track. Okay, so I'm going to go and graph the black one first. So when you have multiple lines, you want to go and graph one line at a time. Okay, try not to do all the points and you might get confused. So once you do one line, if you have a point for the line, just go and graph it before you go to the next one. Okay, so first point is 0, negative 5. So 0, negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is right over here. Okay, the next point is 5, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 0. Okay, I'm going to graph this one here. Okay. Then I'm going to graph the red one. Okay, so if the x equal to 0, then the y will equal to 1. Okay, and if I let y equal to 0, then x will equal to 1. Okay, so let's go and graph this one. So first point is 0, 1, so it'll be 0, 1 right over here. Next point is 1, 0 right over here. Okay, so that's going to connect the two dots. Okay, so that's the graph. Okay, then part B, what are the coordinates of the point where the two lines cross? The two lines cross, this one, it looks like it's going to be at 1, 2, 3, so it will be 3, comma, negative 2. Okay, and that's the point where they cross over. Okay, the intersection. That means that means when you solve these two equations together, your answer would be x equal to 3 and y equal to negative 2. Okay. Okay, so again, notice how this kind of fit in together with the solving equation. So if you have an x minus y equal to 5, and you have x plus y equal to negative 1, okay, and if you put this under here, so you get x plus y equal to negative 1. When you add, this will cancel out, so you got 2x equal to 4 divided by 2 divided by 2, so you get x equal to 2. See that? Wait, hold on, let me see when you. Oh wait, I think I copied the point. Oh, never mind. This is 1. No wonder. Okay. So this is 1, positive 1. So this is 6. And this will equal to 3. There we go. Because they have to match. See that? So they have to match. And after you find x equal to 3, you come here solve for y. So you got 3 plus y equal to 1 minus 3 minus 3. So you got y equal to negative 2. See that? So you got 3, negative 2. See? That's so this is solving by elimination method. This is solving by graphing. Okay, so you get the same answer. Okay.